Yeah. Listen up. Out of gang. Step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the greed. Holding on a runner that is guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak. Thinking this is the only green candle of the week. Get out your ranking chariot and execute the plan. Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. We hitting base hits, we don't swing for the fence. A pocket full of profit is the absolute best defense. Wait for the VY, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting, homie acting like a clown. When the pink box prints, you ride the money down. The market maker algorithms wanna see you break, so take the easy money that is yours to take. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital.
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Happy Tuesday, mate. Bitcoin topping out, rolling over, dumping currently. Is it going any lower? Are we going to get long again? Not looking too pretty right now. Taking the low, Bitcoin rolling over. Let's jump into the chat. Good morning, everybody. Bitcoin dying. Woof. Coming down. Solana coming down into our buy level. Oof. Bye-bye. See you later. Ooh. Overextended bullish divergence. Ooh, wee, looks tempting. Looks tempting. NASDAQ holding up. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm not. I'm sick as ever, but I'm here, so I love you too. Thank you for being here. We're here trying. That's what we're doing, is that we're here trying. But I'm definitely very, very ill, which sucks, but guess what? We're here for it. I feel like I got shrinkage here on the live stream. Bitcoin breaking down right now. I never know really how to position myself on this screen. Some people are over here. Maybe I just go like fucking inverted up here to just show you just the schlong all day long. We're just rolling over right now. How's everyone doing? Good morning. Man, Solana led the charge yesterday. Back into the highs now. Big rollover this morning. Not looking too pretty. Let's say good morning to the chat here. No trades right now. Beautiful trading day yesterday. I made over, I think, $2,500–$3,000 trading on the day. So I'm sick as a dog, so I'm trying not to overtrade, but you guys know what? God punished me because I did 3 days without being on the phone. And I think you get sick from not working. Does that make sense? Like, my body's so used to just like, I get up 4:30 in the morning and I fucking work. My body's like, what the hell are you doing, man? Ain't nobody getting up as early as I do on my time zone. All right. I'm ready to catch, what is it? The worm. Early bird. That shit. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I was very, 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 very feverish yesterday. You could come a little bit lower, Soy Boy Lana. Come on. A little bit lower. I believe you can die. Great rollover. We had a sell wall up here for the Discord. I don't know. Discord members, anybody short Asia last night? I gave you guys the sell wall. You guys tell me. Trying to hold here. Push back. No trade yet. Still no trades, guys. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Trying to make crypto something again. A little slap and go. Could push back here. I want lower for Bitcoin. I want this liquidity taken out of here. Been looking for this morning. I want to see this low taken for a little sweep. Follow through continuation. It's tempting to long this, but I'm not gonna, because I am patient and I am profitable. That's it, right? Say it with me, everybody. I am patient and I am profitable. That's the way. Richard, what's going on, man? Good to see you. DCA Biddy. How you doing? Good morning. Thank you for being here. TD, God bless you. Good morning, man. Alexander G, good morning. Have a wonderful day and have a great stream. Thank you, Alexander G. God bless you. Drive safe to work. Don't work too hard. Why Crypto, good morning. How we doing? Oh, there's the push. There's the push. Retested lows. Continuation down. Nice push on Biddy here. I liked that for a long, but I wanted lower. Same with Solana, so it's no trade for me. Nice little order block here on Soy Boy Lana, though. We can't see that if we go on the higher term time frames. We can isolate that one right there. Nice pushback here. What do we have? 18-minute block? Yeah, 18-minute block right there. That would have been beautiful, but I'm a pussy. Sorry. Nice pushback, retested previous lows, continuation down. She's jumpy today, isn't she? Bullish divergence coming in for Bitcoin, overextended to the downside, anchor trigger. Potential pushback here. Halfway down the candle, wick test for Solana. Buyers stepping up here clearly. NASDAQ looks strong. We said it was coming to the lower part of that channel yesterday for NASDAQ, and we can see it came into that lower part perfectly. We should be trading the NASDAQ, and now it's broken out. So it's a good sign of strength on the NASDAQ. Let's see if it does want to continue here. What's going on, MM Miller, Toby, Begat, good morning, bro. Son of the King, Duality, Brack, good morning. Why Crypto? Smash that like button. Yeah, I think they can do that. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that button, that would be cool. I'd really appreciate it if you wanted to hit the like button. 200 people in here hanging out. Bunch of males, except for Chantel. Chantel keeps us in check. I bought my husband a pickup truck with cash. Many thanks to go to you and your team for the guidance. Let's go. Oh fuck, that made my day. Can I put that on Twitter, Chantel? Oh, Chantel, part of the family. We love you. I'm gonna tweet that. You be wearing the pants in the family now. You'd be like, I bought my husband a pickup. Yeehaw! That's awesome. I mean, the Discord has been on fire. Let's be real. But you know you get what you put in, right? We know that. Trading's not easy. I'm just grateful that you're succeeding. That's why we do it. I really did not want to get up and stream today. I was hot and cold and sweaty and feverish all night. And but you get up for shit like that, right? That makes me grateful and understanding that this is a privilege to hang out with you guys and to hopefully help you guys navigate the charts. That's kind of why we do it. Other than that, like, I'd rather just chill in the Discord and click some fucking buttons today, but put a 1 in the chat if you're long. That's awesome, Chantel. GG's. Shrian, how you doing? Jennifer, good morning. Fred, Travis, Dependable, Proof of Work, Django. Good to see you, man. Gang. Let's ready. Shumi, Kevin, how you doing? 585. My discipline is broke. Good morning. Well, how do you fix discipline, right? First you got to look at your life. What's going on in your life? Are you getting up early? Are you drinking? Are you partying? Are you not eating well? Right? Look at your life. Try to get that organized. That will reflect immensely on your trading. Try to develop a routine. I think that's where it all stems from. Right? If you're not going to wash your ass in the morning, you know, and trim your beard and take care of yourself, how you gonna trade well? You're just sitting there on your wanking chariot. Then it's about implementing rules and following your rules, right? Non-negotiable rules. What's going on, Dom? Good to see you. Mr. Kemp, how you doing? Mr. Fort Lauderdale, let's go. Silver Good, good morning. Marius, how you doing, man? Good morning, game. I'm embarrassed to say, but I want to give hope to all the traders doing it, though. Been trading 6 years now. And profits consistent. Biggest single day yesterday. 23 wins, 1 loss, $108,000. Look at that. Crypto Rob, Discord member. Love it, bro. Love seeing you win, man. Love seeing you win, bro. That's fucking awesome. Crypto Rob in the Discord. Kicking ass, taking names, man. Curtis Hill, Matthew. And it's not to brag, right? It's to show that it is possible, right? That's it. That's it. Crypto Mel and Capital, Curtis Hill. Top of the morning. Right? $108,000 is fucking awesome, man. That's awesome. I've been averaging about $60,000 a month. Consistently, though. So, that's awesome, man. I wish I had AlexO back then. I would have cut the 6 years in half. Yeah, hopefully. Like, I mean, I try to share everything I got. I'm a bit obsessed. We're just prepared. That's all we can be. And we gave the sell level up here, the buy levels down here. We took 2 amazing trades yesterday. The slap here and the slap here on the live stream. You guys are getting all in my fucking feels this morning, and I'm sick, so I'm gonna be like I'm such a like man flu kind of guy. Like, I don't get sick a lot, but when I'm sick, it hits me hard. And I look at my wife and I go, "Call my mommy, make me some chicken noodle soup." My wife actually, you know what? I'm fucking hungry lately, like weirdly hungry. Like, I'm sick and I'm hungry, which is a weird combo. Like, I'm never really hungry when I'm sick. But I had a really big craving for a McDonald's yesterday. Considering a long here, retest back in. We'd like to see Solana push out here. If Bitcoin can bounce here, that would be ideal. Looking for this. Back up into the high here. I like the retest back in. I like the initial bounce. I did say lower on Bitcoin, but if Bitcoin can bounce here, NASDAQ's on our side. Yeah, NASDAQ looks good. Bitcoin's got to bounce here, though. Bitcoin's still appearing a little bit weak. I need to see a bounce here on Biddy. Exhaustion candle. Can we get a pushback here on Biddy or no? I want to see a pushback here on Biddy. Otherwise, we're not taking the trade. Pretty cheap trade. Like, it would look like that. If this, then that. Biddy not bouncing here, so no trade. Still waiting. I'd like lower too, so we'll see. It's got to bounce here, otherwise no trade. This is a good sweep and go. Like, I don't mind it, but Bitcoin ain't got no legs. Clearly no legs here on Biddy. Solana coming lower. Looking down here for Solana. Still no trade. We're way below VWAP, right? Oh yeah, big time. Slap and go here. Solana coming down. I want to see a slap and go here on Solana. All right, I'm long. Up 500. Push. Slap and go, baby. GG's, gang. See if this can get going. Biddy looks all right. Watching on my other screen. Come on, push. Struggling a little bit here. I'm not getting slipped. Stopped out, 500 bucks. Kind of like yesterday, no? You got a cool polar bear now. GG's, 565. Good trade. Down we go. Still rolling over. Nice little slap, though. GG's in the chat. Thank you, Steve Hickey. Bitcoin coming into our buy level now. Same with Solana. Interesting. NQ looking good. Did he come for this low? Good trade. Good morning, Belv. Good to see you, Django. How you doing, Sonny? Good morning, man. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Maybe it was a bit early for that Solana long. Trying to push out here. Still no trade. One trade this morning up 500. What's going on, Crypto Jung? Jack, Travis, good morning. How you doing? WB, Let's Ready, Chris, Valvanek, Django, Sani, how you doing? Is it short time? What's going on, Dave? How you doing, bro? Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully you're not working too early. C-Town, Wix Wi-Fi, 89. Good to see you. Trez. There's that pushback. Dang. Yeah, I think I was a bit early for the Solana long. Bitcoin bouncing. It's a nice push. I wish I got long on this one. Damn. This one's ripping. I was a little bit early on that trade, I think. Beautiful push here on Solana. Bitcoin buy level trying to bounce here. See how this goes. Looks like it's got some legs. Nice engulfing candle on Solana. Bitcoin's still in the downtrend here. So just going to be patient for now. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out. How we all doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Pat, Crypto Jung, Wayne Roasty, my man. How you doing, bro? Travis, Baby Genius, Jax, Dusty, Solio. How you doing, Heath? Good morning, man. Pat, hope you're feeling better. Thank you. I'm still feeling pretty gross right now, but nice bounce here on Biddy. Let's go long on Solana again. Just waiting here. Just waiting here a little bit longer. I like this candle. I feel like there could be a rotation here. We're clipping rotation up. Bitcoin looks good. Yeah, let's get long. I'm long on Solana. Half a position size. Looking for rotation back up. Let's see if we get it here. This candle looks really good. I like the push. You can do it, Solana. Push. I think it was a bit early on that initial long. This is confirmation of that bottoming came into that Bitcoin level as well. Just confluence throughout. Just looking for follow through here into the upper order block of the high. That's a great candle there. So now that's my invalidation. So my stop goes underneath here. I'm not going to slide it up there because I'm superstitious. I think they hunt me. So I'm just trying to wait here for follow through. Good candle, good candle. Let's push. A little bit more. Don't be a dick for a tick. I hear Dave say that when I'm trading. Beautiful push out here. Yeah, leave this to run now. Another $700 there, guys. Just off that retest of that bullish engulfing candle here. Retest, continuation out. Beautiful little scalp. If it wants to go, it can go. GG's again. I'm about to go back to bed at this rate. I'm fucking up. I'm fucking up $1,300. I'm done. I feel like I'm more I'm more patient when I'm sick. I'm just like, whatever. Zero fucks. Zero fucks given, right? What's going on, Ducard? Patillion, good morning. Ada Ace, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Mob the Great, Cool Mars. We got 333 people here, guys. And we only got 97 likes. And I'm sick. You guys can do better than that, man, if you don't mind. Smash that like button. Spam the chat. Cool Mar is a chick. Thank you for being here. Chantel be buying pickup trucks. You want to take a picture of my hand? Is it floating? I'm sorry to hear that. I hope you feel better too. What's going on, Lucky Deal? How you doing, bro? Week 141. Good job, Dave. Keep grinding, bro. I can't hit a stop loss. That's my issue. I mean, you got to know where you're wrong. Slam Banjo. How you doing, bro? Good to see you, bro. Greetings from Norwich, the land of the custard cream. Brilliant, mate. You got to get the ones from Tesco, though. The Tesco custard creams are good because they don't be getting no little. Little is like so bad for biscuits. It's so funny. You got to get the ones from Tesco. They're the best, for sure. Look at all these otters. Yeah, you guys are great, man. Thank you for being here, Seatown. Hope you feel better. Thank you, bro. Good morning, Casra Grill. Just do some rail line event type. Oh, man. I'd be tweaking. Failing to push here, guys. So probably going to stop, which is fine. I mean, it's a downtrend, so you got to take profits aggressively in this environment. Thanks, Jared Prince. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. Wayne, how you doing, bro? Good to see you, man. Keen Bean, GG. Decent, GG. Up only everything. Bear market wear. Charles, Melissa, how you doing? My 9th subscriber is Melissa, guys. Say hello to Mel. We love you, Mel. Seatown, French Toaster, how you doing? Chad, Bilal, Steve Hickey, Reggie. Solana, are you going to do your thing or what, man? You just hovercraft in here. Stop me out or just, yeah, stop out. Bitcoin's coming down. Yeah, stop out. Happy days. Happy days. Really? Weird. Consolidation continuation. Look at that. Dick for a tick, guys. Look at that stop loss. I told the market maker. I told the market maker that they would not come to 98.07. The market maker didn't dick tick me. The market maker is going to give me some money today. Come on, push ya, Nambe Pambe. Jeez. Can we get a little pump action? I need Jason Casper pump rap or something, man. Can someone blow on it? Someone? Nothing, eh? What a bitch. All right. 500, 700. 2 trades today. 560. Oh, look at that. That makes $1,400 today. Ooh wee. Oh, that's a good dump. It's a good rollover here. GG's, gang. So far, so good. So when you say you are long, you mean for long for 4 cents to scalp? In general, yeah, if you haven't been here for a while. We're scalping Bitcoin and Solana on the daily here. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto something again. That's a nice little slap here. Nice little slap. This is going to go now. We are super early to these slap trades. It's kind of some janky price action this morning. I need a haircut. Or should I just grow the mullet now, guys? I think I'm getting more gray the longer I'm here. 36 and silver foxing, man. Look at that push. Damn you, Solana. I should have got long here. Now it goes. Put a 1 in the chat if you're still long. What a cheeky bastard. That's a great candle again. I'm not buying it. I've overstayed my welcome, I think. I'm not gonna push it, man. Do we got 1s in the chat? You guys are cheeky, man. How are you guys all long? I should have longed again. I feel like 3 trades is way too many already. It's not even time yet. I mean, we're in a buy level on Bitcoin and Solana. Bottoming structure, bullish divergence, trying to push out. I still would like something like this where we come down and then get going. But damn you, Solana. How you going to treat me like that? It's just not nice. I'll try to be a bit more patient now. Thank you, everybody, for being here on X. Hopefully, you're all having a beautiful day. Two trades, $1,400. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., even when we're feverish and sick and feel like a absolute turd burglar. Hopefully this pushes up for all you guys who are still long. Seems very trappy. We got a trident pattern down here, though. This is typically a reversal structure. You get your 3 wicks, right? Your trident. Typically, you want your middle wick to be lower. Like I said, this could come into this low here on Bitcoin and then rotate up. I mean, we're not trying to be bottom snatchers, but that's what I'd be looking for. Standard deviation 2.5. When you're in this area down in here, you're definitely always looking for a reversal back into at least your standard deviation 1, right? So you're trying to trade back into that standard deviation 1, and you're typically looking for the short down on VWAP. You're lucky if you get up to VWAP. We're very overextended to the downside, so you get your like 3 drives up at the lows here. You're just looking for like flattening out and then like that one liquidity, and that's where you're looking to jump on to that long trade. We've kind of just scalped the lows right now. Now this does, in my opinion, this still looks good, but it's struggling to push higher here, which is interesting. Big sweep down. This is the start of reversal structure, though. In my opinion, we got a bullish engulfing candle. We got the SFP wick. So we're just looking to get up and get going here. Obviously, this little slap down is pretty gruesome. Yeah, and this looks good here. Spoon, push out. So we'll see. I mean, like I said, I've taken 2 trades in here, and I'm Not gonna push my luck kind of deal. See where we get to. Nasdaq cooling off, interesting. So coming back to retest that channel that we were talking about yesterday. ES as well. ES took the low like we were looking for yesterday and bounced, so that's a decent sign. Tesla up pre-market. SpaceX up big time pre-market, so quite a big move. 2% here for SpaceX. Marvell bouncing as well. Yeah. AMD. Yeah, all of these tech stocks are bouncing. Big anticipation for NVIDIA earnings. NVIDIA. Okay. Coming in Wednesday. I can't say NVIDIA. I don't know the right way to say it. You guys always correct me. Yeah, everything's up pre-market except for Microsoft. Bill Gates can suck a big douche canoe. That was a nice saying, YouTube algorithm. I wasn't swearing at Bill Gates. Okay. Please don't make me eat crickets or something. Nice push here, guys. Great trade. Great push, man. That was it. This was the candle that we should have hammered right here. Hey ho. Let's go. GG's in the chat for you guys who are still long. Let me say GG's. Make sure you guys pay yourselves. What time frame am I on? I always trade the 3-minute time frame, my friend. What leverage do you use? 44x leverage. Leverage is a tool. Alex, I didn't realize you were such a silver fox. Oh, I'm silver, baby. I'm Italian, so it's salt and pepper, okay? 370 people here, 138 likes, and 2 trades, up $1,400. Given the long in advance, hopefully you guys are all rich. Why are you yelling? I'm trying not to yell. What's going on, Vegas Cloud? Good to see you, bro. How you doing, Jack Villain? Look at that move, man. That's a great long in here. Good morning. I can't say your name, man. I don't even know where to start with that kind of name. I could copy it into Google and try to say it, but... You want me to do a skullet? Nah, man. We're gonna do the mullet. Like the big mullet. In the winter. Gotta grow it out. Bitcoin rising here. Looking good. Bullish divergence here on Biddy. Trying to push out. Coming back into our buy level. All this liquidity down below here. Trying to push out here. Looking for higher highs, higher lows. Solana pushing out right now. Nice trade on Solana. A little bit overextended in my opinion. So looking for a little bit of a pullback now. NASDAQ breaking out. Continuing up. Looking strong coming into market open. ES as well. A nice push out, but double top here. So bunch of liquidity created over Asia. So watching that as well. ETH, 3 drives of the lows. So ETH, this is nice bottoming structure on ETH. I'm going to be pretty upset about this Solana long, aren't I, guys? This thing's breaking out. Yeah, this would have been like a $3,000 trade. Typical. That's what happens when you're sick. You got to be kind to yourself when you're sick, though, in trading. You got to reduce your size. And there's a lot that goes into it. When you're sick, you should not overtrade. I mean, I was right here. I was correct in the price action. The execution, I was a bit early. I caught the long here. I caught the long here. I did not wait for this guy right here. This is the one that got away. Yeah, that slap down, that was the one. Now we're ripping. Nice push here for Solana. Great trade, everybody. GG's in the chat for you guys. You look like you have hit a 95 yesterday. A 95 is a bad score for me in golf. High 80s is like average. I mean, not this year. This year I've been shooting mid 80s. Last year I was shooting low 80s, but I was playing a lot of golf last year. I've changed a bunch of things in my swing. Why the 3 minute? I find the 3 minute gives me enough time to digest. Like if I'm on the 1 or the 2 minutes a little bit too quick, I can find myself a little bit over my skis at times where I'm over trading. The 3 minute keeps me pretty disciplined. Waiting for candle closes. That idea, right? Beautiful push here for Solana, guys. Absolutely cheesed. I'm not in this trade. The red day just started. Okay. Joe Dirt. It's Greek for you. It's John. Okay. Hey, John. Good to see you, man. Thanks for being here. At least you're not chocolate salty balls. If I grew the hair out on the sides, I could be Wolverine. I am Wolverine. Haven't you guys seen the picture? I think it's in here. There's AlexOCrypto. Okay, you guys can all screenshot that. Get your mind out of the gutters. We got AlexORastao. There's the mullet everybody wants me to grow. There's the man bun. There's the fan art. There's the size of Timberlands I wear. And I am Wolverine. Don't get it twisted, okay? These are all the... This is what my Discord does to me. You guys are funny, man. Damn you, Solana. Why are you running away? Ugh. Frustrated. Frustration is kicking in. You guys can all tell me you're long still. The mullet is very specifically 80s Canadian. YouTube trash. Yeah, all I gotta wear is the Canadian tuxedo, which is denim. Denim on the top, denim on the bottom. I want the ludicrous afro. Yeah. Where he's like all skinny and he's... What's that song? Not Stand Up. Reggie's short. Uh-oh. I'm naturally short. All right. Pushing out here. This has got to come down now. We're going to do this. All right. Impulse, break a structure, hide a low. Gonna bring this guy down here. $12-minute high, yep. 12-minute high, yep. Into resistance, yep. Trending momentum. I'm surprised we still haven't taken that low. I'm annoyed we didn't catch this move though. That's fine. On to the next one. Patience here. This is pretty slow and choppy right now. NVIDIA results Wednesday. Yep. Make that money, sick boy. I'm up $1,400. I made over 25 yesterday. So I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right considering I'm fucking ill. I'm really sick. Hot and cold. Eyes are burning. These lights. I look yellow on my lighting. I'm Italian, eh? I get the tan. This is Mexican. This is Norwegian. Yeah, I just start speaking like this. Sorry. I don't know what would be normal lighting. That's way too bright. I'm pretty tan. Like, I'm like this color. I'm like that mulatto shit, you know? I'm like a cappuccino. I could be Mexican if you want. Or Indian. Maybe I make thumbnails for you. I don't know what the fuck. Is that better? Should I just be Indian all day? I can do my key light as well here. Where's my Elgato key light? Here we go. We could be really, really Mexican now. Get out of here. I don't want to update you. Here. Turn this shit up. What is this? Remind me later. Turn this up. Oh. That's a lot of brightness. I don't know what this was at now. I could turn full Mexican up though if you want. Like, is that Mexican or is that racist? I don't know. You guys tell me. I hate everyone equally anyways. I'm like salted caramel, guys. That would be me. If I had to define my skin color, I'm like salted caramel. My wife is like a ghost. She's as white as they come. When she gets a tan, she gets freckles. That's about it. She gorgeous though. AlexOCrypto. I like that, man. Isn't it kind of weird though? Because like olive is fucking green. It's like this color. So why am I an olive? Like white people who say they're olive are gay. Let's be real. I'm olive. What are you trying to prove it to, man? I'm so mad at Solana right now. We totally bottom snatched this. Up $1,400 today. Alex O stands for olive. Alex Olive Crypto. It's more sage. Oh God, here we go. Right. Alex O Sunburno. I'm gay, you hurt my feelings. My best friends are gay, man. So if I hurt your feelings, you're not gay. I mean, our two best friends are lesbians, and we love them to death. So, like, if you think I have a problem with gay people, you can suck a, you know? If you think I'm a gay, what is it, a gay basher? No, they're amazing. You love lesbians. Yeah, I'm sure you do, Mr. Hub. My best friends are gay. Yeah, absolutely. What's going on, Face? How you doing, bro? People were asking me for a market safer discount. Are you doing one? Are you doing one for Labor Day maybe or something like that? Let me know. I'll let the community know. I always tell them to wait for Black Friday, but I know sometimes you do some in between. I think everybody here is following you, Face. But if you're not following Face, go follow Face. Get Market Safer. Use Market Safer. What'd you make? 600,000, 700,000 on that pump, bro? GG's, man. God bless you, man. That looks good on you. I'm glad you caught that. I caught about 30,000 in the last couple weeks, so I'm pretty happy. I've been doing pretty good as well. Held off on the discos for a bit. We were going heavy. I'll have a fresh round it this week. All right, man. Just let me know. Are 100K scalps worth it? That's all I traded when I first started trading, is the 100K position size. In general. 670. Yeah, that's fucking sick, bro. Absolute slap that. You like noodle slap that with like throw the 9-pound dick on the table. That's crazy, bro. Good job. Love seeing you win, bro. Slap. Fuck, man. We were long Solana. Now we regretting it. Buy level, push out, trying to go. Try not to wreck myself. Yeah, after a big win, I mean, I did 150,000 last November, and like after that, I kind of like got over my skis. And I was doing good, and then like a month later, I lost like 40 racks. I think I messaged you about that. I was like high on the fucking 150 I made, and I like got over my skis. It's always important to like check yourself before you wreck yourself, kind of deal. When you get up, trading and you're up, green, green, green. It's like psychological warfare after, because you think you're untouchable, but the money disappears quick if you keep over trading, which I found out. I mean, there's always lessons. And there's always levels. That's sick, man. When does fantasy start? When does fantasy start? I'm going to win this year with all black running backs. Last year I picked an all white running back team. I had no idea. I've never played fantasy football. Fantasy football, September 9th, week 1. And I mean, you guys all whooped my ass. But I had who was it? CMC. He carried my team every day. But I just picked all white people. I was like, I'm gonna make an all white football team and win. And I had CMC. CMC carried my team. But I did not play well. I did not do well. Because all the other guys sucked. Oh, fuck. McCaffrey been money. Yeah, he carried my whole team last year. Too funny. Take Trey Smack for your kicker. Yeah? Yeah, couple weeks. I'm looking forward to it too, man. My wife's like, why are you so excited about like some virtual football? I'm like, you don't understand, woman. So you just get to talk shit and fucking talk smack and play some foosball. Failed breakout here. Slow crawl up, slapping down. Like I said with Bitcoin, I want to see it come for this low here. Looking for bottoming structure down here. 2 trades today, up $1,400 today, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Taking a look market cipher, where we're looking at. So, in general, top-down analysis, pretty simple. The gates are open. However, we can see a little bit of a warning sign. What's the warning sign on market cipher? Always looking at stochastics flipping colors. Flipping colors always gives me a warning sign to potential rollover coming. So we can see with the daily here when we pushed up on market cipher before, it kind of gives us a front run when it flips red, a front run to a potential retracement. I don't think it's going to be a dump, but a little bit of a warning sign for overextension here on market cipher. Obviously, money flow is great. We have nice curvature on the VWAP. So if VWAP holds here, that's good. And it starts to make higher highs and higher lows. However, if we dip down, that could be detrimental with a confirmed red dot and forecasting for a little bit of a retracement continuation. Not to say we're going to dump, but something to be prepared for coming forward into the market. We have the 3-day candle close here. This is wide open. Okay, looking good. The 12-hour rejection off the 0 line for VWAP. A little bit of negative posturing here on the 12 hours. So just watching this closely here, we can see we're starting to form our bearish divergence. Obviously, we would want confirmation, mitigation of the low retest. And that's where we would look to short, not right now. But a little bit of warning signs. This 12-hour candle looks absolutely shite, but we still have this last 12-hour candle, looks really bad. It's exhaustion up at the highs, coming back up into that 81 300 target that we had for shorts for the Discord. 8-hour money flow looking good. VWAP looking a little bit weak. 4-hour overextended bearish divergence pushing down. Money flow still good. Looking for VWAP reset and continuation up. So typically looking for VWAP to escape down, push back up, and then looking for long. So we would look for higher lows in this situation as long as we're holding this uptrending momentum here. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Same deals. VWAP's a little bit better on the 2-hour, and then we have the 1-hour trigger wave. So if we come down, we retrace, and the trigger wave confirms, and we push out, then we could be looking for longs this afternoon. So just looking for that roll up coming into market open, watching that quite closely to see how this materializes coming into the day. We can see VWAP creeping its way up, and then this would trigger back up, and that would just be continuation of the trend, right? So we would look for this thing to follow through and continuation up. Okay, so patience right now. 2 trades this morning, as you guys know. We took them all together. Up a quick little 1,400. Okay, so happy days. We'll see where we get to. There's our 2 trades this morning. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Make crypto honest again. Same shit, different day. So we'll see where we get to. I would like to sweep at the low in here. And then structure and then bounce, and then that 1-hour trigger wave to fire off, and then we can look to rotate back up into the highs here. That would be ideal. We'll see. Clearly mitigation of the low here, topping structure, so rotation down is potentially on the table here. So patience, 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 and we'll see where we get to today, guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons, and hanging out. Solana dumping. Failure to follow through here on Soy Boy Lana. All right. Yeah, I'm looking for bottoming in here. I'm going to go and get some more coffee before market opens. We had everybody leave, so if you're going to leave, just smack that like button. And I will see you guys in 2 seconds. Oh, lovely. Those who stayed with that alert going off, you guys are real ones. Down we go, Geronimo. Dump it. Alrighty. Coming into market open, we got 11 minutes here. Oof. That's why I'm not a DJ. We're real motherfuckers. Yeah, that's it. Did I rug you on the music again? Guys, I do not have the music skills for this. If I was a music skilled guy, I'd be DJ AlexOCrypto. All right? But I'm not. I'm not. Yeehaw!
So la 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 long, so la 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 long, 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 long. Come on. Woo! So la 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 long, so la 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 long, 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 long. Whoop it. I have been watching you chart all morning, waiting for the pink box to drop. I don't wanna do no top blasting. I just want the green candle to pop. Sweep the lows, take the money and run. Auto gang getting the friction on. So la 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 long. So la 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 long, 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 long. Come on. Woo! So la 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 long. So la 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 long, 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 long. Push it.
Dump it.
Don't be a namby-pamby on the 3 minutes. Get out your wanking chariot today. Just wait for the...
This is fire? I don't know, man. I don't know if I can handle Dave's music this morning. So long, 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 long. Where's that guy from who's singing that song? He definitely AI, but... Oh, ETH coming down again. Critical level here for ETH as well. SpaceX up, Tesla up, everything's up for the stock market. ES up, so we're expecting gap up for the spizzle this morning. Spizzle? Is that what the gangsters call it? Spizzle, dizzle, nizzle, badizzle, dizzle, nizzle. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Hopefully you're having a fantastical day. Trying to find some bottoming structure here on the Bitcoin price action. Currently just waiting right now. Up $1,400 this morning. 2 trades right in the morning. Hopefully you've all made lots of money this morning. So far, so good. And keep up the good work. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate your guys' support. Another day, another dollar. And we continue to show up and crush it. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Key levels. Holding it down. Rotation down here for Bitcoin. Rotation down here for Solana. Okay. Solana may need to come back into here. Let me just see in general. So let's look here. Here and here. Yeah, we have our 2 levels now. All right. Solana losing support. Bitcoin looking to come into here. Solana losing support right now. Rotation down. Nice little rejection here on Solana. 2 good longs in here. However, we'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 370 people here. 185 likes. I don't know about those likes, guys. Down we go. Down we go. Pretty aggressive sell-off this morning, everybody. Bitcoin coming for the low right now. Like to see Bitcoin take 78,345. Continuation down here. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. Fantastical day. NVIDIA coming out Wednesday. Yeah, that should be good. Howdy, sir. Good to see you, Zenny. The only requirement here is a good morning, so thank you for saying good morning, guys. I needed a laugh. Cheers. Thanks for being here. 7 minutes till market opens here. Okay, pushing back. Sweep of the low, push back. Equal lows on Solana. It's a trap. It's definitely a trap. Bitcoin trying to push back here. Into market open. Interesting. I like Bitcoin's sweep and go here. Got 5 minutes till market opens here. Sweep and go. Push out here on Biddy. Still waiting. No trades here, guys. Still waiting. I need violence. Just like yesterday, we had to be a little bit more patient. Right now, patience is key. Solana, I think Solana can come back down to 96.74. Trying to hold this low though. So if we hold here, Nasdaq holding 29,300. So that's a good hold. ETH still making lower highs, breaking down as well. ETH is trading below 24.65. It's quite bearish, to be honest. If we don't hold this, Biddy's showing some sign of life though. Trying to get going here. I want to see this. This is what I want to see. I want to see this and this. So we're waiting here. I need 8 more likes, guys, if you guys wouldn't mind. How was your trading yesterday? Up or down? Or maybe you're break even. It's a little bit of a tricky day yesterday, in my opinion. Here we go. Big rotation down here. Dump it. Dump it. You can flush it. Solana flushing. Good rollover here for Solana. That's a great rollover. Holy smokes. Three minutes. Three minutes for market open. Continuation down here. Solana continuing to bleed out. Any push down is just trying to get bought up, but you can see they're failing to buy it up here. We're going to come into 96.70. Bitcoin looking to take this low. 78,350. Bitcoin rolling over here. Here we go. Big rollover for Solana here. Bitcoin. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. No trade here coming into market open. Solana ripping. Big sell-off here for Solana. 1 minute for market open. Considering long here on Solana if we do push back here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking okay here. Can Bitcoin push back? Solana trying to bounce out of here. Still no bounce. Still waiting. NQ rolling over. Coming into market open here. Any bounce for Bitcoin? A little bounce. I'm long. Push. Oh, and I'm out. And I'm out. Woohoo! All right, baby. Let's go. What was that? Let's go, baby. Let's go. $2,500 on Solana. Let's go, baby. Woo-hoo-wee. Great trade. Damn, that was quick. That was quick. Let's go, baby. $2,500 on Solana coming into market. Open market is open. Gang, gang, gang. What a trading. Fuck, man. I got to get sick more often, guys. This is fucking fire today. Last three trades today. GG's. Fuck, I'd be up like 7,000 right now. Woohoo! Big gap up here for the SPY. Coming in, market is open. Slaughter gang. Long on Solana here. Whew. Looking for that buy level coming in. Holding Bitcoin showing strength. Bitcoin trying to push out here. Downtrending momentum, trying to get above. Solana, my girl. My God. Oh, man. How much do you risk per trade? $500 to $1 million. $500,000 to $1 million per trade. Solana lana long, Solana lana long, long, li long, long, long. Oh yeah. All right, SPY continuing to climb. This is a good push here for SPY. NASDAQ sweep and go, pushing out here. Fuck, we're on fire today, man. We're up over $3,900 today. Fuck, I am going to get sick more often. Bitcoin trying to bounce out of here. Stiletto pattern continuation out. I should have held this trade, guys, but I just slid my take profit under at this wick. If it bounced hard, I was out. Holy. Showing the trades, taking the trades. 440 people here on the live stream. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. What a fucking day, man. This is sick. Let's go. This is good. All right. We'll see where else we can get to today. Damn, I should have fucking held that. That was a $6,000 trade. Bitcoin pushing out here. Ones in the chat if you are long. We got stiletto pattern here trying to push out. Shout out to CryptoFace. He is the stiletto pattern master. I've built some rules around it that do help me trade it. If you aren't aware, this is the stiletto. You get a violent SFP V-shaped recovery with chop, which creates divergences. If you're not aware, it's this plus this, and sometimes you get this like open toe. She's got these open toes, and she got this big gnarly toe that sticks out. And sometimes it takes the low. Okay, you got to watch out for this crusty toe when you're trading the stiletto pattern, right? So you see, we get the slap, and then the slap, and then the cha 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 cha. This is the big nasty toe. Bull divs, push out. Oh, Solana. Solana, how you doing me like that? What a fucking level, man. This thing is ripping now. One's in the chat if you're long. I'd be up like 7,000 right now. I'm just fucking, I got excited, man. It's probably the sickness. Uncle Tradefly, what's going on, bro? I missed you, man. Hopefully your studies are going well. God bless you. Family, 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 family. Hopefully you're doing well, Mr. Tradefly. You're having a wonderful day. One's in the chat if you're long on Soy Boy Lana. Given in advance. I love you, bro, with your American dollars. Did you hear you're going to name Lake Ontario the Lake of America? I love it. I love it. You don't swim in Lake Ontario near Toronto. You catch a disease. Big push out here. Bitcoin melting face. Holy smokes. I wish I held this, guys. Beautiful push here. Longs given in advance. 450 people here on the live stream. How many are on X, man? Good to see you guys all there. How you doing, X-Men? Or that's a tranny, right? X-Men. 40 people on X. You guys are cool. All you sly X-Men. Look at this push out, man. Solana catching a bid. We caught the low. Oh, man. Should have held it. Should have, could have, didn't. That's fine. I'm not going to complain about $3,900 today. That's definitely not my job. Beautiful little long pushing out here. Continuation up. Bitcoin pushing out. Trying to break the high here. Little test back in. Still at it. Yeah. Bullish divergence push out. Ethereum reclaiming that 2465. All right. Into order block tap here for Solana. So little order block. Watch your FOMO at the highs here. Order block tap. Trying to get going. GG's in the chat. 3 trades today. Crypto Rob is long, getting the friction on. Let's go, baby. I'm going to say GG's to all of you guys. Victor Lawn, God bless you, man. Yeah, I'm looking forward to you joining the Discord. Stay close, man. I'm glad I could help. I appreciate you being here, man. Hanging out. What an entry, man. What an entry. You guys are absolutely fucking spoiled here. And yet we only have 212 likes. Jeez. Mm-hmm. What a bottom tick on that Solana. 90 96.83, 96.83. Yeah, right in here. That was a great trade, man. That would have been like 6 racks. But here we are. Nice push out for Bitcoin. Okay, looking good. Standard deviation, so very overextended, trying to push out into VWAP here. Nice little cluster order block in here that I'd be interested in as well. Golden pocket in here, impulse. So a couple of stopping levels on our way back up if we are going to continue. Like I did say too, I'm still interested in this thing like rugging everybody and then going. So this is still very viable in my opinion to come and take this liquidity in here. Still very viable in my opinion. So not to say we're coming out of this, but so far nice push out. SPY looking good. Big gap up. So in anticipation for that, NASDAQ looking a little bit weak. Tesla pump and dump. SpaceX pump and dump. Okay. Marvell up 5%. AMD. Yeah, all looking good here. Solana, beautiful bottoming. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Great work, guys and girls. Bro, calm down. We are still long. Nice, man. Crypto Jacker. I can't calm down, man. I'm sick and I'm printing money. I don't know how this is happening. I'm normally a terrible trader when I'm sick. Marion, good to see you. Army Piper. I'm gonna send the stream to Army Piper today. I'm all effed up being sick and stuff. I forgot to send it yesterday. I can never find when I go to send it to you. I can like when I go over here to my studio and I go to send it to you. You're never up top here. You're never like here. You're always like there you are. You're always in like the mist, man. You're always way down somewhere. You know? It's kind of weird. YouTube hates you or something. I don't know, man. Too much alpha. They don't like to help people. They like to just send you guys to all the shillers instead of the people who are actually doing it. Ooh, Bitcoin cooling off here, coming back, retesting the highs. Okay. Halfway down the candle, continuation long. Mitigation of the high here. We have a candle close above the high here on the 3-minute. 12-minute structure suggests that we need to close above here. So that's a break. We do have a very tight break here. So we do have a break. Wick test, 12-minute. No, that's splitting hairs. Here's our wick test, 3-minute. NASDAQ sweep and go. This is nice on NASDAQ. Sweep and go and push here. SPY still looking strong. ETH still looking strong. Solana looking really good here. Trying to get going. Lots of liquidity to come back for Solana. Lots of liquidity. Really nice entry, guys. Absolute banger, man. Good work. Good trade. Hell yeah, member for 5 months. GG's, bro. Thank you for being on the live stream, man. Good morning, it's Mac. Good to see you, Jacker. They only promo the shillers, yeah. Looking like a balloon caterpillar? What pattern is that, Dave? He's something, man. My trade name is Too Long. Thanks for the like button there, Luca. God bless you, bro. 222 likes. Awesome. Well, we caught the low here. We caught a couple lows here. Okay. We're doing good today, guys. This is good. Good risk management. I mean, we only in profits, but Looking for this, man. Like, this is what I'm looking for right now. We're going. Are we going live in the Discord after this? You guys gonna make me work all day? I'm sick as a dog. Ugh. Bitcoin dumping. SFP of the high. Is Bitcoin still bullish? Depends on how we react at this low in here. Yeah, I'm really sick, man. I got the man flu. I'm feverish. My appetite's good, but I'm hot and cold, feverish, splitting headache. Like, these lights don't help at all. My eyes are burning. My eyes hurt, and like, you know when you shake your head and it feels like your brain's rattling around? That's how I feel right now. I couldn't sleep last night. Fucking sweating my ass off. Then I'm freezing my ass off. Then I'm sweating my ass off. Orbison. But hey, I'm here. My superpower is showing up. Like hangover? It's not like a hangover at all, man. It's like I'm going to golf, says Crypto Rob. Crypto Rob's up big already. Crypto Rob took 3 trades. He's up $10,000. He's paid for his clubs 15 times over the last 2 days. I took a bath yesterday. Like, I'm not that gay, but I actually took a bath yesterday. Like, that's how sick did I feel. In my new house, I got this bathtub. I swear to God, I can do backstrokes in it. Like, I'm only 5'4", so I'm like, I could like full on, like, all I needed was like a scuba diving set. Big slap down here on Bitcoin. And call me Scuba Steve. It's got to close back within the range. Not taking it. No trade here for me, guys. I don't want to. No trade. Still waiting here. I mean, you could have longed it. If you took it, congrats. Make sure you pay yourself. There's some more spoon feeding for you guys. I think I'll take profits tonight too. My account's at over 55,000 now. I'll probably take 20,000 out. It's typically what I do. I'll take a 20,000 profits and put it in the bank account. That's $60,000 in profits this month taken into the bank account. It's a great fucking August, man. 60 racks in 1 month, US. Put a 1 in the chat if you long this. It wants way lower. GG's. Dump it. Trying to push out here. No close back within the lows. So like typically on an SFP, I want to see the price. I want to see it come down, and I want to see it close back in this area. And then you look to intraday trade it. So right now there's no trade in my opinion. We've hit our key level. But right now, this is a very aggressive sell-off here. NASDAQ continues to rip. SPY continues to rip. So SPY's looking good. Bitcoin's selling off. Solana too. Look at that order block rejection here, guys. That's awesome. Not looking too hot here. Well, we know this has taken the low now. We continue to put lower highs in. And go swing high to swing low here. Impulse comes lower as well. Yeah. Failing to push here, really. This looks weak. 30-minute dump. Continuation down, taking that low. Next target would be this order block, retest to previous highs. We got volume support locally in here as well. Nice little rollover here. Am I in the long? No. I showed no trade. I said no trade. No trade. Still just chilling here, guys. Not the reaction I want to see, right? Like I want to see a slap, hold, push. There's no hold. Just slap and dump. Right? Failure to hold. Rotation down. Ooh, Solana, baby. Dump it. Solana down 2.5% this morning. Jeez. What a pushback here for Soy Boy Lana. Another SFP of the low. Pretty good sell-off this morning, guys. Still waiting here. Very aggressive sell-off here on Solana, on Bitcoin here. No, I like the sweep of the low bounce, and we are getting a little bit overextended on the oscillator. So it says not to short, but it does not say to long either. So waiting here. NASDAQ sweep of the highs. So mitigated the highs, permission to go down. SPY permission to go down. Nice. Rotation, looking for that rotation. Okay, holding here on Bitcoin. Interesting. Weird spot for Bitcoin to hold though. Uptrending momentum. Like I don't trade trend lines, guys. Like I just use this to like hold trades or take profits. But holding this, retest to previous highs, still looks bearish in my opinion. We are starting to get overextended to the downside, potential for a pushback, but this has been very aggressive here. Especially on Solana. ETH losing that key level here. Sweep of the highs, dump. Biddy trying to climb back right now. Still no trade in my opinion. Still waiting here. It looks enticing. Like it's enticing to buy this, but right now this is we are going down. Okay? Even with this big wick energy down here. Big wick energy potential pushback. I mean, we caught this guy up, but trend is down. So we should have shorted here and shorted here, but happy days, man. We're up $3,900 today, so I don't want to. There's no complaints to be had here. 430 people here on the live stream. We're here live every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. The only requirement is a good morning. However, if you do want to take your trading a little bit further and join the best Discord in all of crypto, you can do that. We have an amazing Discord, AlexOCrypto.com, with 8 traders, setup signals, 200 plus videos. Incredible, incredible, incredible Discord. We also have a Bitunix link pinned in the comments down below if you do want VIP 3 deposit bonuses and $5,000 worth of giveaways. You sign up and deposit and get ready because on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we do $5,000 worth of giveaways for everyone. So like and subscribe, join the Discord, support the channel by using the affiliate links, and I appreciate your support, guys. If I've helped you, you can help me. And hopefully we can all crush it together. So thank you for being here and hanging out. We'll see where we're going here. Soyboy Lana pushing back again. Bitcoin trying to reclaim. If we hold just a stupid trend line, I'm going to be. This is some Tory trades shit. No comment. No comment. I digress. It's a nice pushback here for Bitcoin. I ain't gonna lie. This is nice. This looks good. But I ain't getting involved. We're gonna go trade live in the Discord, so I'm trying to remain patient right now. Retest of orb continuation down potentially. We go live scalping in the Discord 3 times a week too for an hour. So if you are considering joining the Discord, there's no delay in my trading on the Discord. I mean, I'm not perfect in the Discord either, so I still take losses, but it's more personalized in the Discord. I think we all just continue to crush it. Good times. I am feeling quite sick right now. Trying to get above orb. I like this candle right here, but still got a little bit of proving to do in my opinion. Solana very volatile right now. Yeah, not a big fan. It just looks like continuation down in my opinion. So I just try to remain patient here. Even though Bitcoin is looking better, if we can reclaim orb here and hold, look for rotation up into VWAP, that would be ideal. But halfway down the candle continuation for Solana, trying to push out from here. overextended to the downside here on the oscillator. This is ideal for the oscillator to push out here. Could consider this long. I'm not taking it, but you could consider this long if you're trading. Look for at least a rotation up into this order block up top here. It's like a 1-to-1. Don't hate it. And if Bitcoin reclaims orb, that would be bullish. We got 40 seconds on this candle. Solana pushing out, trying to go here. Not bad. Bullish divergence. Yeah. I don't mind this, but I'm not taking it. I'm probably like when I'm up around $4,000, guys, I'm not, unless it's AA plus plus plus. I'm not giving it back. That's like strict rules for me. Strict rules. You don't give them back your money. If you've extracted profits today out of the market and you feel like you've done well, keep your money, man. Keep your money. Put it in the piggy bank. Live to trade another day. Live to make money another day. Right? Yeah, close above orb. This is nice. Close above orb here, trying to hold now. This looks good. I don't know if any of you guys are long there, but this looks good here. Maybe put a 1 in the chat if you are long here. It's been a fun stream today, guys. We've crushed a couple of trades. We've done really well. It's been fun. Honor and a privilege to serve and to try and help you guys out. Very grateful for your support and you guys hanging out here. I want to wish you guys a wonderful rest of your day. Trade safe. God bless you, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.